Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to log into your Trust wallet. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So before you log into your Trust wallet, you need to install its app. Go to your Play Store and download it. So I'm downloading it right now. So once it's downloaded and installed, you can just open it. And once it's opened, click on create a new wallet. And then after reading all the terms and service and privacy service, you can just click on this box which is at the bottom and click on continue. Click on I understand and click on continue. And you can never share recover phrase with anyone, store it securely. So these are the phrase which you need whenever you want to log into your wallet. So just copy it and then paste it somewhere. You can just show it on QR code or something. So I'm going to copy this code. Now remember, it's a very important code. Do not share it with anybody. It's like sharing your password. Remember that. Click on continue. Now arrange the text as it was shown before. Now choose accordingly, okay, what the text was. So as you guys can see, after you arrange it correctly, you can click on done. And boom, you have successfully created yourself a wallet. So as you guys can see, now I can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain, anything which I want. So yeah, that's how you do it basically. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.